Here's the basics of how to use the Wi-Fi features of TBMM. The purpose of the Wi-Fi features are to be able to, first of all, set the time of your unit, and then to be able to view the data from your battery module remotely. Also, you'll be able to log the data coming from your battery module if you're, let's say, balancing over a long period of time. Let me show you the process of how to get your TBMM on your local network. Once you plug in the unit, on the screen you'll see something that looks like this, which means it's in Wi-Fi access point mode. Charge your batteries. This is a Mac. PC will look similar. You'll see an access point that says TBMM. You'll click that and you should automatically get something that looks like this. If you don't, you'll need to go to a web browser to 192.168.4.1 and force it to go there. So then you'll select what is your local shop or home Wi-Fi. Click on it. Wait, which feels like way too long. Click again. You should just have to click once, but if you have a lot of Wi-Fi points, it takes a little bit longer. Select your Wi-Fi access point, enter the password, and save. Now you'll see the screen of your TBMM will change to something else, but eventually change to something that looks a bit like this. What you'll want to do just for security is unplug and replug the dial. And then you can go to either tbmm.local, or there's an IP address written on the screen. Sometimes you have to go to that IP address. And you'll get a screen like this. Then you can press live data, and you'll get a web page showing you all of the data about your current battery module. It takes a few seconds to come up. And then you'll get a screen that looks like this, which will tell you all of your individual cell voltages, but most importantly, your highest cell, your lowest cell, and your pack imbalance. Now you don't need to go to this web page or do this Wi-Fi setup. This is only if you want to be able to look at your data on a computer screen, tablet, or a phone. You want to log this data, take snapshots, screen snapshots, or whatever. Or if you're doing balancing and want to log this over time, you'll be able to run this and keep an eye on it.